The Mac Mail app has features that most people walk right past, including one that lets you schedule emails to send at any time in the future. Here's a complete look at what Mail can do. Press Command+N anywhere in Mail to open a new composed window. Fill in the To field. As you type, Mail suggests contacts. Add a subject, then click in the body area and write your message. The formatting toolbar above the body gives you bold, italic, font size, alignment, and lists if you need them. For a quick format shortcut, Command+B for bold, Command+I for italic, just like any other Mac app. Now the feature most people don't know about, scheduling. When your email is ready, click the Send button drop-down at the top of the Compose window. You'll see options such as Send Now, Send Tonight, and Send Later. Click Send Later. Choose the date and time you want, then click Schedule. The email moves to the Send Later mailbox in the sidebar, where it stays until the scheduled time arrives. You can open the Send Later mailbox at any time to review, edit, reschedule, or cancel the message before it's sent. You can also undo a send in the first few seconds. Here's how to enable that. Go to Mail in the menu bar, then Settings, then Composing. Find Undo Send Delay and set it to 10, 20, or 30 seconds. After you send an email, a banner appears at the bottom of the screen with an Undo button. Click it within that window, and the email returns to your drafts. Very useful for catching a typo or a forgotten attachment immediately after sending. Adding attachments is straightforward, but there are 2 ways worth knowing. Drag any file directly from Finder into the email body, and it attaches. Or press Command+Shift+A to open a file browser. You can attach multiple files at once. For images, if you paste them directly into the email body, they appear inline as visible images in the message. If you want them as file attachments instead, right-click the image in the email and choose Insert as Attachment. And for people who get a lot of email, Mail's VIP feature helps you stay on top of what matters. Open an email from the person you want to prioritize, then click the sender's name in the message header. A menu appears with several options. Choose Add to VIPs. A VIP's mailbox appears in the sidebar, automatically collecting emails from those contacts so you can find important messages quickly. For even more organization, go to Mailbox in the menu bar and choose New Smart Mailbox. Set conditions such as unread, flagged, from a specific person, contains certain words, includes attachments, or matches a date range. Mail automatically populates the Smart Mailbox with matching messages from across all your accounts while leaving the original emails exactly where they are. The Send Later and Undo Send features alone make the Mail app worth using over the web version. Schedule a few emails this week and see how much less mental overhead it creates. Subscribe for more Mac tips.